The next question is a loop ABCDEFA of straight edges has 6 corner points, and these are the coordinates of the points. The magnetic field in this region is 3I plus 4K. The quantity of flux through the loop ABCDEFA is. Now its solution. The magnetic flux is B cross A. We know that already. And here is its diagram, which is given in the question for B. So Bx plus Bz dot Ax plus Az. Put the value of B, which is given in the question, and here too. By doing that dot product, we will get 75 plus 100. So the answer is 175 WB.